How to activate Costco Anywhere Visa Card by Citi. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate your Costco Anywhere Visa Card by Citi. So before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first step is open up your web browser and then simply search for your Costco Visa Card activate. So let's search for Costco Citi Card Login or activate, my bad. Then you'll find the activate your card option by online.citi.com. Head over to that very website and let it load. And now you will need to follow the prompts shown to you on your screen. So first thing, you can actually just sign in as well first and then follow, or just go through with this process where you will need to give your credit or debit card information. Then after you tap on continue, after you've typed in the correct number here, you might have to type in your social security number as well. So just follow along with this page's process and you will have activated your card. And that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye.